I got a question from Karina, and Karina is asking, how can I get a push notification to my cell phone whenever a new lead is being sent to my CRM? So Karina, this is your lucky day. We can achieve it using an integration from Zoho CRM to Zoho Click. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, go to your settings on your CRM and then go to Zoho under Marketplace. Then you will need to go and click on Setup Now under Click. And you will click on Enable. It will take about a second or so, and then Zoho will say, done, 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 or maybe more than a second, but it's done. Now, next you will need to go to your tools icon, then you will go to workflow rules, click on create rule, and let's give it a name. So first of all, I'm going to select the module leads. I will give it a name, and that will be send push notification to my cell phone. Now, I'm not going to explain to you too much on how it's being done, okay? But I'm going to show you step by step, just do whatever I'm telling you to do. Don't try to think too much about what the hell is it doing. If you're interested in knowing what I'm doing here, I have my Zoho CRM course, but unless you don't want to go into a course and you just want to take action right now, just follow what I'm doing here. Please click on record action and select create. Go to all leads. I will just try to make it very simple. So let's go to all leads, and in notify, please click via click. Now, I will give it a name. Karina, you got a new lead, and I'm clicking right now on the keyboard on Shift 3, which is the number sign, and then it will pre-populate all the variables from the CRM. And now I will click first name, and again number sign for the last name, and I will select notify. Right now it's only myself, so it will be only myself, and I'm clicking on save. Now I will click on save again. Let's go to my website, and I will send myself a new lead. This is how it looks on my phone. I just got a click notification, and whenever I will click on Karina, you got a new lead, the system will open Zoho CRM on my phone. So this is a great feature for people that are on the go or just like to get instant notification that are not emails or tasks. So that's a very cool feature. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, drop me a nice like. And if you like to get more of those creative solutions, click on subscribe or the bell icon, and you will get more notifications and as I release those videos. Thank you very much for watching me, and have a beautiful day.